Hey guys, welcome to Glam Goa. This is Ankita Dubey from film Mehrunisa, and I'm here at IFFI enjoying the world premiere of my film Mehrunisa.
The whole of Austria is looking at Goa and how well this festival is being done, is being conducted with all the protocols and with what discipline. We in Austria and Germany is in a complete lockdown. There's a meter of snow, everybody's in the houses, everything is closed. And look how wonderfully, they have done it here in Goa, and it's going to be an example worldwide how festivals will be conducted. Thank you. Yeah, we made this film with a lot of love and affection, and I would like to say something about it later on. So if you allow after the film, I would request you to, if it's possible, to keep seated. Since we all are here, we would like to come on the stage again and maybe answer one or two questions, and then we can see the response of the film. So we'll be once again available for you after the film, and so let's dive into the world of Mehrunisa. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandeep Kumar. We wish you all very best in Goa. Have a nice time. I'm sure your premiere of this film here will bring a big success all over the world. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big round of applause to the entire team. Thank you. Well, the film is approximately 1 hour 30 minutes.
Applause for her. Here on the stage, Tulika Banerjee, who plays the mother. I think she's crying. Come. And of course, Smiti Dutt, our Tuhina Behra, please come on the stage as well. So this is a very emotional moment for everyone. I can see the tears flowing, and because they know what went into it. And I must say, there's one person who's not here in Goa, but she was the spirit and the soul of the film right from the beginning of the writing, and that is Farrukh Jafar. So. What a journey that has been for her. I mean, from Rekha's mother in Umrao Jan till the Begum of Amitabh Bachchan, from being the grandmother of Salman Khan to be the grandmother of Nawazuddin Siddiqui, and here she is after being in the industry for 45 years, lead role, Mehrunisa. So let's give it a big clap to her so that she can listen to this clap right till Lucknow. A great applause to her. I think it's a great spirit. At 88, when we did this movie, she was 87. For a woman of that age to come on the set for 25 days, it just shows her spirit, her passion for cinema, and a lot of it you can see in the film. And I can say one thing, that she gave her best at the first take. If we had to repeat it, it was something to do with the camera or others who were, but she is such a professional actress, and I think she is the best we have. She has been the most underrated actress in Bollywood, but I'm so privileged and honored that we had a chance to work with such a brilliant person. That was really amazing. She's loved also in Austria, and they've been asking me, who is this grand lady? So we hope that one day when the pandemic is over, we can have a premiere where she is there, and she hasn't yet seen the film. We can show it to her on the big screen. And so this is, it was a premiere for me as well. So getting tears in my eyes for the first time in a world premiere. Thank you so much. And so if you have any questions, I think we have a short time. So any questions, we will be glad to answer it. Oh, there's a question over there.
I am seeing the best film of the world cinema today in the auditorium. I am really proud of it, because the film gave me the tears to see the role of a mother. I am 84-year-old, and I am watching the girl who is doing a very good job in this film. Every actor every actor, and the script writer is one of wonderful person of the film. How you choose the person, स्क्रीन प्ले राइटर पटकथा किसने लिखी, वो आदमी बहुत बड़ा आदमी होना चाहिए, वो छोटा आदमी नहीं हो सकता.
Just give it in a short thing. I think film बन जाती है. अगर if you have the idea and if you have the conviction, अगर आपका idea strong हो and you believe in it. When I started writing this film, I was all alone, and I certainly believe that films is all about meeting people and the magic you create with them. So I started off totally alone. At the end, we were about 180 people who had joined the journey. तो धीरे धीरे लोग आते रहे और क्या कहते हैं, started believing in the dream, and they were a soul of the film. So that's how it started. Casting हमने सारी लखनऊ की 100% casting, and including Ankita, she's working in Bollywood, but she's also from Lucknow. So concept ये था कि लखनऊ ही का ही करना है, and we don't want big names. The casting process was very important. और अगर आपकी casting हुए, I mean, I'm sure all filmmakers here among the crowd, they know that then half the job is done. तो फारूक जी थी हमारी फिल्म में शुरू से ही, तो वो थी, इसलिए पूरा लखनऊ आके हमसे जुड़ गया. She is very respected over there, and Lucknow is a city, you fall in love with Lucknow. So I fell in love in Lucknow. I'd never been to Lucknow before. Our entire Austrian crew fell in love with it. Our sound recordist, head of sound department, Herbert, is here. Instead of the big applause for him for the sound. And in spite of the lockdown, Patani, I don't know how he made it, but he came all the way to the festival to attend it. So this shows the love we got, and it is there to remain.
Only one thing I want to say, that you repeated my name BBC 10 times by the granddaughter. I feel proud of it. Thank you very much.
Thank you. एक बात बोलनी थी कि there's a very important thing which happens at the end, which always touches me whenever I see this movie. When Smriti Dutt says, she addresses almost the nation and says कि मेहरुनिसा तो तैयार है, क्या आप तैयार हैं? So it is all about, I hope this film is a game changer in Bollywood, कि she is ready to do it. Is Bollywood and are we Indians ready to do it? Ready to have an old actress in the main lead? So that is the. There is a question here.
मैं रेणु चतुर्वेदी हूँ. वैसे विविध भारती में काम करती हूँ, इस समय प्रोग्राम हेड हूँ. आप मतलब ये विषय ऐसा है कि हर महिला की नब्ज है ये, क्योंकि वो सच में सब नवाबों के ही अंडर में है. ये महिलाओं की आत्मा जो है ना, वो आपने कहाँ से टटोली इस उम्र में, ये जानना चाहती हूँ.
That I don't know. You have to ask my mom. I think I was always surrounded by very strong women, and strong women, I don't mean a feminist woman, but just I think the beauty of the woman is in her strength. और वो शो नहीं करनी होती. And वो if you as a man can see that, so you automatically know it's there.
मतलब वो जो तकलीफ कह सकते हैं या जो दर्द है, वो हमें लगता था अभी तक कि शायद वो महिला ही दिखा सकती है, लेकिन आपने दिखाया है. इसके लिए आपके लिए तालियां.
जो अमृता प्रीतम, जिनको मालूम है उन्होंने तो समझ गया होगा कि वो यहाँ आती है. इट्स जर्नी सावित्रीबाई फुले टू अमृता प्रीतम.
Thank you very much.
You wrote the novel India.
Okay. Anybody else? There's one at the end, right? There's a lady at the end.
I want to congratulate you, Sandeep, because actually the lady from Vivid Bharati, she echoed my thoughts, because we're really impressed by the fact that you're so young and that you could understand the ethos of a woman and what a woman goes through. And I think I have to congratulate you on that.
Thank you.
You so much.
Thank you for the two compliments. One for the film and that you think I'm young. Thank you so much. All right. So thank you so much for being here. It is a great day for us because now the journey starts. This was a world premiere. So we'll take this film. We'll also go to the world, around the world, and it was great to have this premiere. It was a dream to have it on the Indian soil because we made it here. So that came true. So isse show karta we should dream always, because someday a dream can come true. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, Tulika has a question.
I have a question for him, which I got this platform to ask. So you must have seen, you are seeing me now, and you saw me in the film. many people wouldn't recognize me that I am Yasmin. So, what made you think that I could be Yasmin? You know, he was very consistent on. He had this vision of Yasmin, and when he saw me, I don't know, my age didn't match her, my personality didn't match Yasmin, but still he knew that I have to be Yasmin. What made you think that? I'm really thankful for that.
I think there's some energy. We were looking for an older woman, but when we auditioned Tulika, there was something about the energy, and it had to resonate with the character which I had in mind for Yasmin. I had some vision कि उनकी daughter जो है मेहरुनिसा की, how she should look like, how she should be like, and so it's always a risk you take when you are working with somebody new. But they also, it's not just I was taking the risk. 180 people were taking the risk of working with me. So thank you. So that's all I can say. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great evening. Have a great time in Goa. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Sandeep Kumar. I think you have set the ball rolling and a food for thought to all the ladies. The ladies in Goa are very excited.
Congratulations, Ankita.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I'll just take my box. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was wonderful. The projection was so nice. Much better than.
Hi, this is Ankita Dubey from film Mehrunisa. I'm basically from Lucknow. I've been working in Mumbai for the last 9 years. Been a part of few films like Tamil Manu and India's Most Wanted. This is my first time at EC Goa, and it's such an honor to be here. The arrangements are so good and everything has been organized so well, so safely. It's my pleasure to be here, and I'm looking forward for many more films to get recognized under RIFI. All the best to everybody, and do check out Mehrunisa. If you make it next time and if you get a chance to watch it, do watch. And please subscribe to Glam Goa.